Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to read Rubik's Cube notations. So, let's get right into it. So the first part about this video is going to be the regular moves. For example, the U moves and the R moves. So basically, here is the full list of all the moves. Basically, R means right, L means left, U means up, D means down, F means front, and then B means back. That's pretty intuitive. But however, we like to categorize it as which way we turn it. For example, if we turn it like this, it would be clockwise because as you can see, the face is moving clockwise. And then if we turn it like this, it will be classified as counterclockwise, or we add a little apostrophe to it, also known as a prime. So this will be the front face of this video, the green side, and the white side will be the top for this video because this is how we scramble the cube in real official Scramble. So the F would be just front side, clockwise, pretty intuitive. F prime, or F apostrophe, would be F, the front side, but turn it counterclockwise. And then here's what it gets a bit confusing for beginners. The right side, clockwise, would be up. How do we know it's up? Because imagine you're looking from the right side. And imagine you're looking from the right side and turn it clockwise. So that would be like this. So from this perspective, it would be right, up. And then if we turn it counterclockwise, would be this way. So we turn it like that. L is basically the same thing, but if you imagine you're looking from the left side, clockwise would be this way, and then counterclockwise would be that way. U would be this, U prime would be that, D would be that, D prime would be that, B would be that, and then B prime would be that. So that is all of the regular notations. Now let's talk about the notations with the 2 next to it. It is not something squared, of course, but it means to turn the side 2 times, like that. And it doesn't have a prime to it because whichever way that you turn a side 2 times is going to have the same result. But in some algorithms, you might have something like R2 prime. That basically just means that the writer of the algorithm wants you to turn it like that to have better finger tricks. And there's also a video about finger tricks and how to memorize algorithms on my channel, and you can go watch that. So basically, that is all of the regular notations on the Rubik's Cube. So next, let's talk about the double layer turns. So for example, the double layer turns would be found in some algorithms. Basically, it wants you to turn, for example, a lowercase r would be to turn the 2 right sides up, and then a lowercase r prime would be to turn the 2 layers on the right side down. F, lowercase f, would be like that, lowercase f prime would be like that, and you get the idea. It's basically just a double layer turn. It could be also written as RW, which basically means the same thing, and RW prime would be counterclockwise. And all about RWs and like something added with a W will be coming in a couple more videos in this series, which I will talk about things in like 4x4 or 5x5 when there are more than 3 layers. So that is pretty much it for this, and I'll see you guys in the next part of this video. Alrighty, so now let's talk about M moves, or slice moves. So this is classified as the M slice, also basically the shortened versions of middle. So this is the middle, and this is what you have to remember. M without an apostrophe is down, and then M prime would be up. And then this will be the standing layer, which is S is to the right, S prime is to the left. And then E is to the right, and then E prime is to the left. E means the equilateral layer. So yeah, that is pretty much it for all of the slice moves. And then now I will just go over all of the whole cube notations. Okay, so this is the last part and also the fourth part of this video. This is going to be the whole cube orientations. So for example, this is the regular state of the cube. Entire cube rotations would be, X would be rotate the whole cube on the right side, so like that. X prime, and remember X and Y and Z are all lowercase. X prime would be this. Y would be rotate the entire cube on the upper side, so like that. And then Y prime would be like that. Lastly, Z is to rotate the whole cube on the front side, so like that. And Z prime would be like that. So this is very useful for regrips. For example, an algorithm like this. And then you would have a Y move, and then you do that. So yeah, that is very useful in algorithms, and yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!